Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem gift card on Binance. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Binance, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, Binance allows you to use gift cards to purchase any cryptocurrencies directly, and which is going to be an easy way to enter the world of digital assets without needing a traditional bank account or a credit card. You can redeem gift cards for a variety of cryptocurrencies supported on Binance, including popular ones like Bitcoin or BTC, Ethereum or ETH, Binance coins or BNB, and many others. Now, let me tell you that this flexibility alone allows you to choose the digital assets that align with your investment strategy or preferences. Now, as you can see, you can simply redeem to crypto. You have the option to add to cart. If you do that, I need you to enter the redemption code. All right, for example, it's going to be a series of numbers here, and click on redeem. And of course, from there, you would be able to transact, and you can redeem gift cards for a lot of a variety of cryptocurrencies that you wanted. All right. Now, the next option is you can simply add a card. And again, you can put in the redemption code here because Binance offers competitive trading fees, which can be lower than those of the traditional financial institutions. When you click on the check card, of course, that's going to be required for you to put in the 16 digits card number. You can also send a crypto gift card if you want it. If you don't have that, say for example, you wanted to say thank you to your partner, your client, your colleague, or friend or family, all you have to do, as you can see, buy one card and you get this Bitcoin, and you can put any amount from here. For example, that's going to be $100. You can choose the gift card store from this logo, 100 in Bitcoin. You see, the number changes if you put in different numbers, right? Let me just maximize the screen for you guys. Of course, this is a little bit outdated. It's 2024 already. But when you hover to the other gift card here for the crypto, as you can see, you have all of these options. It's a very dynamic, which I believe you would love it. For newlyweds, for astronaut, I don't know, or happy birthday. You can also choose with a different crypto. Of course, you also have the fiat currency from euro to Russian ruble and a lot more. Now, once you do that, send it to your family, friends, or yourself. The next thing that you need to do, now, once you are inside of your Binance dashboard, you should be able to see an option that says rewards, all right, or the trading hub. Now, if you don't see that, there's going to be a possibility that you haven't verified your account yet, and that there's going to be a problem within the Binance website, or there's a technical glitch or a bug that is giving you inaccessible to the voucher. Now, you see that the right bottom here, there's a help section wherein you can simply ask a question to the Binance chatbot. All right, and tell them you are having problems, of course, redeeming your gift card on your Binance account, be it on the website or on your mobile device. And one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on what's happening and what you can do from here. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.